So in this video we'll be showing you the cargo load retain net. It's a really useful piece of kit, and in this video we'll show you the installation and then also the uses for it. So firstly, you take one of the adapters, and you've got 4 of these, and they have a sticky section on the back of them. Simply peel this off and then place it on the van itself. Once you're happy with the location of itself, you then take one of the screws that comes with the kit, and with a driver, simply screw it into the panel. Once it's secure and in place, the adhesive will also help. You can then take the net and place it over the top. So you do this once here, once at the bottom, and repeat on the opposing side of the van. And then therefore you can now see that this now forms the cargo net going across the back of the van. Now another useful part of this is it also comes with these clips here. So these clips are a hook clip, so again we can use this. If we come down here, this one here I've actually fixed the clips. Now you don't have to, it's entirely up to yourself whether you use the clips or not, but then you can actually use this to clip onto your anchorage points, and if you repeat this over the 4 times, you could then actually use it as a cargo net over the items as well. Now this net here itself, once it's actually in place, try and clip it from here, place it back on. You don't actually need to take it off to use the van. So when you simply place it in and repeat the procedure on the other side, that will now stop your items from falling out. If you also then want to use the van but obviously don't want the netting in place, it's quite simple. You can simply take it off from this side and clip them back onto this side. This then net then be folded away and keep it out the way so it doesn't get in the way for loading. So you can use this net as a rear support to go across the back of the vehicle here. You can also put it towards the back of the seats, so you can have a second net there. Now I find with this van that if I do have lightweight things, they can move forward and go in front of the seats, so we can have a second net there and using exactly the same principle. Or using the cargo restraint system, we can actually use this net as a clip system to keep the boxes in place. Thank you for watching our video, and please have a look at our other videos that will show the other Mercedes Vito accessories that we sell.